Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Wait, hold on a second. Ms. Walrad.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What can I do for you today?
I have Ruby Cornelius for a PCC. We're just setting an exam date.
Okay, let me call it.
Thank you.
Case number 2305857901. People of the state of Michigan versus Ruby Cornelius. Defendant is charged in count one, domestic violence, third offense. Defendant has habitual tendency, fourth offense.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor, and court staff Veronica Walrad with NDSP 85665 on behalf of Ms. Ruby Cornelius. I would ask to waive her presence for purpose of PCC. I have been in contact with her.
The court will waive the defendant's presence. What's the question?
I would just like to set this for an exam date, as well as to ask Ms. Drain, do you know if there's video in this case? I haven't gotten it to where I can see it yet, but I know sometimes it has already been sent.
It has not been sent because I didn't know who to send it to. Your name,
Okay.
But I've got it all ready to send, and I'm going to send it right now.
Okay, that would be great. Thank you.
Thank you.
The court will continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. House September 6th at 9:15.
I should be able to make that work, Your Honor.
All right, September 6th at 9:15. Bond will be continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Irwin, good morning.
Morning, Judge. I have Brittany Stewart,
Okay.
and we'd just like to set up for exam, Your Honor.
Let me call it.
Calling case number 2305853001 for the state of Michigan versus Pretrial. Defendant is charged in count one, assault with a dangerous weapon, count two, domestic violence. Defendant has a habitual offender, second offense.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sally Irwin on behalf of Brittany Stewart. I'm 32405.
Ms. Stewart, unmute yourself and tell me your name.
Brittany Stewart.
What's your pleasure, Ms. Irwin?
We're requesting an exam date, Your Honor.
How is September 6th at?
I didn't get the date.
September 6th at 9:45?
Oh, Judge, I can't do it. I can't, that date is so bad for me.
Okay, September 8th at 9:15? I'm sorry,
I can do-
9:30.
I can do that, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, September 8th at 9:30, bond will be continued.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. Mr. Humphries, good morning. Mr. Humphries,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning, sir. You're here on Johnson, Bradford Johnson?
Yes,
All
I
right,
think that's him standing in the courtroom.
okay.
Calling case number 2305-75-7501. People of the state of Michigan versus Anthony Bradford. Defendant is charged in count one, assault with intent to bring bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count two, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Humphreys, P38930 on behalf of Mr. Bradford.
Mr. Bradford, tell me your name for the record. Anthony Johnson Bradford. What's your pleasure, Mr. Humphries?
Your Honor, we'd ask for an exam date.
How is September 6th at 9:45?
No, can we do 10:30? Is that fine?
10:30? Okay, September 6th at
10:30. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
we continue. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, Mr. Your Honor,
Yes.
Mr. Bradford asked me to ask you if you would be so kind as to remove the tether. This particular matter happened over a period of time ago, and he has not been in the area, and he would like to have it removed. This happened in June of 22. It's been over a year.
People,
Your Honor, at this point, I don't have any information that there has been any violations of the tether.
that means the tether's working.
Exactly. So at this time, Your Honor, I would ask that this matter be readdressed after the exam next Wednesday.
All right. Yeah, we can revisit the issue again after the preliminary examination if need be.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Continue. Mr. Berry, good morning. Mr. Berry, are you there?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sorry about that.
You're here on Breon Ricks.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Yeah.
Calling case number 2305-837701. People of the state of Michigan versus Breon Ricks. Defendant is charged in count one, criminal sexual conduct first degree. Count two, criminal sexual conduct first degree. Count three, criminal sexual conduct first degree. Count four, criminal sexual conduct first degree.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tina Ripley on behalf of the people, P83688.
Good morning, Your Honor, to you and your staff. Brian Myrie appearing on behalf of Breon Ricks. He is in the Wayne County Jail, but I am prepared to waive his presence for the purpose of the PCC, Your Honor.
Is this him in the Wayne County Jail? What's your name in the Wayne County Jail, sir? What's your name?
Before you ask for my name, I noticed that every time you always mute my voice.
That's not him, Judge.
I know who that is. Okay. Court of Wayne,
Okay.
defendant's pleasure.
Thank you, Judge. We need to, I haven't seen any discovery yet. I think APA Ripley's working on that. Would ask the court for a discovery order if it will, and just adjourn the PCC.
Is there a possibility this may resolve itself short of an exam?
I haven't seen any discovery yet. I have no idea the strength or weaknesses of the evidence.
All right, that being the case, the court will adjourn the probable cause conference. I'll adjourn to September 5th at 8:30.
I have two hearings on that date, Judge.
At 8:30? We via Zoom
Yeah.
again.
Yeah, I have two hearings on that date. I don't know if I got a Cory Jenkins for I don't know if that's in your courtroom. I'm assuming if it's 8:30, it might be.
What's the charge?
It's murder, felony murder.
It'd be before me.
Okay,
So
so
you'll be
I'll be there anyway.
All right, so see you on September 5th at 8:30.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge, and I'll get that discovery right over to you, Mr. Barry.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Spruceville. Mr. Spruceville?
I have
Good
Mr.
morning.
Myrie.
All right.
He is on Zoom.
Call it case number 2305-852901. People of the state of Michigan versus Dwayne, Myrie. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with the intent to create bodily harm, less than murder by strangulation, count 2, domestic violence.
Cases for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, key number 60249.
Morning, Your Honor. Barry Schlesser on behalf of the defendant, P41114. Your Honor, we ask that the matter be set for a preliminary examination. I'd also like to receive discovery. And the September 6th date you've been giving, I'm not available.
All right. Mr. Myrie.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
What's that on your head, sir? You're in court.
Just got up, sir. My bad. Good morning.
Tell me your name for the record.
My name is Dwayne Anthony Myrie.
All right, the court will continue to plead of not guilty. We'll set this matter for preliminary examination. House September 8th at 10. I'm sorry, September 8th at 11 o'clock.
11?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if the prosecutor could give me discovery fairly quickly, it would help.
I will send that to you and I will give you a call as well.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
Ms. Canstar.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How can I help?
Judge, I am here on Miss Heather Moore, but if it's possible, can I have a quick breakout room with her?
Okay. You're all set, Mr. Myrie.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Go ahead and join. Heather Moore, join the breakout room. Ms. Canstar, go ahead and join. Good morning, Ms. Woodside. What can I do for you today? Have what? 9 o'clock? I can't hear you. Uh-oh, where's my mask?
Yeah, that's what I was reading for.
I'm dressed like you. Ms. Canstar, are you gonna join?
Keep frozen.
Ms. Wilmot, what are you here on?
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, what are you here on?
I am here for Mr. Murlock with Craig Tank. I also was under the impression that Alvin Sallin was going to be zooming in, but there's no need. That's for the. Sorry, Judge, go ahead.
Have you talked to Mr. Tank?
Not since the bond redetermination hearing on Friday, but I'll send him an email. And my understanding is Mr. Sallin and I are going to be agreeing to an adjournment of the exam tomorrow if the court's inclined to grant it. So I'll contact.
I'm not inclined to grant that. No adjournments.
I'll let Mr. Sallin make his record as to why he wants it. I also have a witness that's not available, so.
That's 23rd, right? 9/6, 2023.
Costa, are you ready?
Yes, Judge. I believe she just needs to join back. There she is.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Heather Moore.
Calling case number 2305-85-8201. The people of the state of Michigan versus Howard Moore. Defendant is charged in count one, assault with intent to rape out less than real by strangulation. Count two, assault with a dangerous weapon. Count three, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
And good morning, Your Honor. Nancy Castor from Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, appearing on behalf of Ms. Heather Moore, P number 80549.
Tell me your name, Ms. Moore. Tell me your name, Ms. Moore.
Good morning. My name is Heather Moore.
What's your pleasure, Ms. Castro?
Your Honor, if I can
Good
schedule-
morning, Moore.
I heard you, ma'am. Go ahead, Ms. Castro.
Thank you, Judge. If we can schedule this matter for a preliminary examination. And Ms. Drain, if there are any digital discovery, would you please forward them to me?
Yes, and I just did that, so check and see if you got it. If you don't, let me know, please.
Okay, thank you.
September 6th at 9:45.
Your Honor, September 6th is actually a bad date. Is it possible to do the second day, the 7th?
No, that's my homicide day.
Friday?
September 8th at 9:45.
Okay,
To be continued.
thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Ms. Moore, you can go ahead and log off, ma'am.
So I have the APA here for our first exam. Ms. Drain, are we ready on our first exam? Demetrius Davis?
Your Honor, I don't think that anyone has checked in yet on that case. We did expect a complainant, if we could just wait a few more minutes.
Okay. Davis. Yes, sir. Can I help you? Connect your audio, sir.
You all right? Yeah, let's see.
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
Does have a court date today?
Who are you?
Vernell Cooper.
I don't have a Vernell Cooper on my docket today. What are you charged with?
It was a no insurance ticket.
You're in the wrong place, sir.
Is this courtroom for Jones K?
No, sir.
Could you possibly help me out?
That would be 360-435-0000.
Can you repeat that for me again?
360-435-0000.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Wilmot. How can I help you?
Hi, sorry, you were asking me to unmute and I was finishing a phone call, so my apologies. I am on Ibrahim Olatin Boson. Miss James should be here any minute now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Anything yet, Ms. Drain?
No, Judge. I am ready whenever the court is ready.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's tomorrow's one?
You think that's why?
Probably so. Calling case 2358339, people of the state of Michigan versus Demetrius Richard Davis. Defendant is charged with count one assault with intention to great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count two, less than violent sexual offense notice. Defendant has a habitual offender reported. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Could you just step to the podium so we can hear you? That's still number.
Sharon Clark will tell, we have a witness in New States.
Good morning, sir. Tell me your name for the record. And your P number, Ms. Woodside?
41295.
There's a time set for preliminary examination. Are we ready to proceed?
Your Honor, I am not able to proceed at this time. The complaining witness is a Ms. Ginger Jones. She was notified of today's date and time and location for the preliminary exam. She is not present, and I cannot proceed without her testimony today.
So order, the court will dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge.
I don't know. All right, Ms. James.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you ready on oath of office?
I am.
Okay.
Calling case number 220600570 for the state of Michigan versus Ibrahim Oatson. Defendant is charged in count one with sexual conduct first degree, count two with sexual conduct first degree, count three criminal sexual conduct first degree.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Erin Wilmoth, P82085, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Nicole James, appearing on behalf of the defendant. My P number is 58961.
All right, there's a date time set for a competency hearing. Have we heard anything back from the forensic center?
Your Honor, I have not, the last update I had, he was supposed to be reevaluated.
Can't hear you now.
He was, Mr. Oatson was supposed to be reevaluated on August 14th. I have not received an updated report though. Has the
I have-
court?
I haven't received anything either, Your Honor.
Okay, I do have something dated August 16th. They find that he remains incompetent to stand trial. That is authored by Flora Crapco, Flora, last name Crapko. Dated August 16th, 2023.
So that sounds like it would be the new report from the August 14th evaluation. Your Honor, may I ask if it states anything as to continued treatment, he may be restored or anything of that nature?
Excuse me, Judge, can she repeat what she said? She faded out.
Court reporter needs you to repeat that again.
I was just inquiring of the court, does the competency report, the updated report state anything as to restorability with continued treatment?
Okay, so it reads, Mr. Oatson is currently being held at the Wayne County Jail and taking psychotropic medication. His presentation appears to be somewhat improved since the initial competency to stand trial report by Dr. Rowland. However, it appears that he continues to have symptoms, irritability, suspiciousness, and flexible thinking that remains a significant area. These barriers continue to interfere with his capacity to fully appreciate the nature and opportunities against him and to assist rationally in his defense. Therefore, it is my opinion that Mr. Oatson continues to be incompetent to stand trial. It is also my opinion that Mr. Oatson has a substantial likelihood of regaining competence if provided a course of treatment in the time period allotted by statute, approximately 9 months of writing this report. With additional instruction setting, it is this examiner's opinion that he will demonstrate improvement in his medical condition necessary to attain competence. Therefore, it is this examiner's opinion that there is a substantial likelihood that Mr. Oatson can obtain adjudicated competence within the time permitted by statute.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's exactly what I was looking for. So I would ask the court to, order the continued treatment that, per that report, and set a review date out for another 30 to 60 days. We're not even to the year point yet, and the statutory period on this particular case would be 15 months.
Judge, I would be in agreement to stipulating to the findings of that report.
All right, the court will make a finding that the defendant is not competent to stand trial. However, I will refer him to treatment and set a review date for October 30th, 2023 at 8:30.
That
Thank
works
you,
for
Your
the
Honor.
people. Thank you. Sorry, Ms. James.
No, I said thank you. That's all. Have a good one, everyone.
Thank you as well.
Okay.
Everybody have a nice day. Thank you.
You're all set, Mr. Oatson. Bye-bye. You're good to go.
To what I'm saying, they are talking that they did not receive my report on the August 14th for the
Your Honor, what's his next court date?
October 30th at 8:30 for a review date.
Okay, you gotta review.
He's been referred for treatment.
Judge, can you ask the deputy, did they have a fingerprint?
Has Mr. Olatabasi ever been fingerprinted?
I'll check. Give me 1 second, Your Honor, okay?
Okay.
Judge, I have a sentencing.
However, we'll do it today.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're very welcome.
Judge, I unfortunately have a sentencing I have to get to, but I'll sign back on as soon as I can.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Tank. Hello there. You snuck in on me.
Morning, Your Honor.
How you doing?
Thank you.
All right. Are you ready on Cory Hughes?
I am. I believe he's in custody.
Okay. That's gonna be my next question. Where is he being prosecuted? You know if they have witnesses?
As far as I know, they're not here.
Ready on Cory Hughes?
Yes, Your Honor.
Calling case 2358463, people of the state of Michigan versus Cory Hughes. Defendant is charged with count 1 home invasion, first degree, count 2 domestic violence. Appearances for the witness.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gabrielle Fluor requesting permission of practice under Court Rule 8.210. Under APA, so
Permission granted.
thank you, Your Honor.
And for the record, Brian Shannon on behalf of Mr. Hughes, P68271.
Tell me your name for the record, sir.
Word one.
Date, time, set for preliminary examination. Are we ready to proceed?
No, Your Honor, the complainant is not here today and we're unable to proceed without her.
And the people asked for dismissal. I'm sorry, defense would ask for dismissal.
So, or dismiss this matter without prejudice. I think it's dismissal.
Yes.
Thanks. Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant compliant with
And they went out to talk. I informed him that I would be moving to amend information and whether or not we will leave him. So I let him know that, so I.
That's why they left. Sorry?
They got scared.
No, and I think they scared Miss Drain. I said, she's here. Let's go. So, Mr. Oatson, require that once the public lawyer keeps holding up the signs, he refuses to be favorable.
Oh, my goodness.
So I think we're gonna order him out tomorrow and want to do a show cause like he should go to the temple court. Then I'm gonna hold the temple court to comply.
I love when they do that, because they just have charges.
Did we get that right?
Let's just say, Jim, is that all the time boss? Yeah, he been, yeah.
So I'm gonna show you also. Open the temple court to compliance. Do we need to break them open? Or should I say the medicine?
I never understood that, Judge. How can he refuse to be fingerprinted if he's put order to be fingerprinted? Don't the deputies force him to get fingerprinted?
I mean, it doesn't force them, because they can still refuse, it just means they're gonna be saying.
But still, don't the sheriffs have the authority to grab him and put his hand on the fingerprint?
If they're at the DDC, it's not the sheriff, it's the state, and they're not,
No, he said Dwayne County.
okay, then it is the sheriff.
He just said, hold him down, put his hand on the apron. Keep the prints.
Escort them and assist them, it's all.
Well, exactly.
Yeah.
You never grab.
Maybe I have to send you over there to show him how it's done.
Now, bring them
We
all.
can help him out.
Bring them all over here.
Oh, okay, all right.
We can help him out.
And he wouldn't be quiet that one day.
Yeah, no. Where's my file?
Same way. Yeah.
Calling case 2356040, State of Michigan versus Terry Titus College. Defendant is charged with count 1 domestic violence. Defendant has a domestic violence third offense. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
According to Judge Andrew Demonte, 45609, Terry College.
Tell me your name for the record, sir.
I'm Lieutenant Judge King. My name is Terry Hollingshead.
This date, time, subject to the examination. Mr. Roger.
Your Honor, if I may. The complaining witness in this case is present. We are ready to proceed to examine. After reading the police report, the complainant's statement, and interviewing the complainant, and what her anticipated testimony will be in the courtroom here today, I am moving to amend the complaint and information to include 1 count of assault by strangulation. I have informed the defense counsel that that is my intent to do, and so I will be moving at this time to do that, and that is RCL 750.84.
750.84.
I'm aware of that, Judge, and I explained it to my client, and he likes to waive this exam.
Please raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Put your hand on. You understand you have a statutory right to have a preliminary examination, but they saying that means you don't have one, you'll be found over to my third circuit court as you stay in charge of.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand the nature and purpose of the preliminary examination?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand if you were to have one prosecution, you have to establish that the crime you're charged with is committed in the city of Detroit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is anyone forcing you to waive your right?
No, Your Honor.
Is anyone promising you?
No, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objection from the people?
No objection, Your Honor.
Court finds the defendant's waiver to remain normally voluntarily free. The court finds the defendant to remain third circuit for criminal division for proceedings. His arraignment on the information date time will be September 13th, 2023 at 9:00 a.m. Continue.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, GBH.
Yes. So, we're on the telephone.